Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm wishing you guys a very happy new year. So this is a recipe that I created last year and I just wanted to share it. So we're going to be making a healthy coleslaw recipe using 4 simple ingredients, which I have my sliced egg, my sliced cucumber, my chopped cabbage and my chopped carrot. So let's just get right into the video. In a clean bowl, I will just spread my sliced cabbage properly, and then I will also add my chopped or sliced carrots as well. So I used the grater to create this consistency with the carrot, and then I will just arrange my cucumber. I wanted it sliced like this just so I could easily chew it as well. Why just munch on it if I want to while eating my coleslaw. Then I'm just going to add my boiled eggs. I will arrange this like this, and I'm just practically going to repeat the same process on how I started with the cabbage, the carrots, the cucumber and the egg. And yeah, once you're done, you can eat this with your jollof rice, your fried rice, or just on its own with a cup of tea. So yeah guys, thank you guys for supporting me throughout 2023. This is 2024 and let's do it again, and I'm going to be sharing more recipes with you guys in this coming year as well. So thank you guys, until I see you in my next video. Enjoy this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.